Good morning, everyone. My name is Rodney McMullen from Invest Northern Ireland, and I would like to welcome you all to our COVID-19 response webinar. Today's topic is part of our Practical Export Skills series, and it is about how to create a future-proof social media strategy in 5 simple steps. Our presenter today is Declan Murtaugh from Brilliant Red, and after the presentation, there will be a Q&A session with Declan. Thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question, but if you have one now, or one that comes up during our presentation, please use the questions tab on your webinar control panel to send it to us. We're also recording this webinar and it will be available on the investni.com website next week. We will email you with details when it's online. So it's good morning to Declan, and over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much, Rodney, and also thanks to the InvestNI team for facilitating these series of webinars and partnering with Brilliant Red and inviting me to do them. My name is Declan Murtaugh, and I'm a digital consultant with Brilliant Red. I'm also one of the social media trainers on the Export Skills series of workshops. The webinar will last maybe around 35 to 40 minutes. And as Rodney says, there'll be an opportunity at the end to put some questions to me. I'm going to try and keep the webinar sort of as relevant to you as possible and try and keep everyone engaged. Today's webinar is titled How to Create a Future-Proof Social Media Strategy in 5 Steps. So today we're going to set a bit of context, talk about what is meant by the term social media strategy and why your business should have one. You know, I've spoken to lots of companies here in Northern Ireland, and you know, a lot of them are just posting maybe on social media, maybe for the sake of posting or because their competitors are posting, or they feel they need to be active on social media. And a lot of them are struggling to find any traction or to sort of get any type of real success because, you know, a lot of the times they don't actually know what they want to achieve. So, you know, and that's where this notion of a strategy comes in. And what I've done is developed 5 simple steps to social media strategy.